The genders. Traditionally, the 12 signs of the zodiac are divided into masculine and feminine, although of course both men and women are born into each. The characteristics were assigned to the genders eons ago and may now seem old-fashioned. However, the signs do seem to be grouped according to the appropriate gender. Masculine signs. The masculine signs are Aries, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius and Aquarius. Masculine traits do tend to be accentuated in the fire signs, which are Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Masculine signs are dominant and assertive, often to the point of being pugnacious and extroverted. They are natural leaders and rulers, showing fiery initiative and are fiercely protective of others in their care. They are pioneers and visionaries, conquerors of new lands and the first to achieve great things. They tend to tackle things themselves and can be impatient with others who are less assertive. Negatively, masculine signs can be egotistical, arrogant and cruel, and dismissive of the needs and feelings of others. They can be troublemakers and rebels, violent, belligerent and inclined to subversion. Feminine signs. The feminine signs are Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn and Pisces. Feminine traits tend to be accentuated in the water signs Cancer and Pisces. These signs present gentler, more passive qualities. They are the carers and the nurturers, inclined to take a back seat and worry over the well-being of others. They are artistic and in tune with their intuition, and may be psychic. Self-evidently, these are the motherly, sisterly signs, with all the attendant positive and negative characteristics. They tend to be the power behind the throne, rather than movers and shakers, although many are great achievers, especially in the modern, more egalitarian world, where their qualities are encouraged. Negatively, the feminine signs can be fussy, possessive, mean-minded, vindictive, clinging and over-emotional. Aquarius, the sign of the coming age, is endowed with both masculine and feminine traits, although it is traditionally categorized as masculine.